Welcome to Is XDEFI Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the wallet and its features can be found in the description below. XDEFI Wallet is a multi-chain, non-custodial wallet designed for crypto enthusiasts who want to manage and interact with digital assets seamlessly across multiple blockchains. It supports over 20 blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and Bitcoin, making it ideal for users with diverse portfolios. XDeFi is also highly optimized for decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT usage, catering to those actively participating in these ecosystems. One standout feature of XDeFi Wallet is its seamless browser extension, built for speed and efficiency. Unlike some wallets, XDeFi prioritizes fast load times for decentralized applications, DApps, and ensures smooth interaction with DeFi protocols and NFT marketplaces. The wallet supports gas fee optimization, allowing users to adjust fees for transactions to balance speed and cost effectively. Additionally, XDeFi's user-friendly interface is straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced crypto users. On the security front, XDeFi Wallet employs top-tier encryption and does not store your private keys or seed phrases on its servers. Your private keys remain fully under your control, ensuring that you are the sole custodian of your assets. It also integrates features like wallet password protection and backup options to safeguard against unauthorized access or loss. XDeFi is particularly suited for users actively involved in DeFi and NFTs. It features a built-in asset management system where you can easily organize and view your holdings, including NFTs, directly within the wallet. The wallet's multi-chain capability also eliminates the hassle of using multiple wallets for different networks, streamlining your crypto operations. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and versatile wallet that excels in multi-chain support and DeFi integrations, XDeFi Wallet is worth considering. Its blend of speed, usability, and robust security makes it a solid choice for anyone navigating the complex world of blockchain. Check out the links in the description to learn more and see if XDeFi Wallet fits your needs.